Welcome to Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. We will learn on different cases of homogeneous partial differential equation. We will see how to find the particular integral for case 1. That is, case 1 is when the RHS side of the equation, that is f of xy, is equal to e raised to ax plus by. Solution of homogeneous partial differential equation with constant coefficient. Consider the homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient as the equation f d dash z equal to f of xy as equation 1. For such type of equations where f of xy is not equal to 0, we need to find the particular solution of the given equation. To find the particular integral for the given equation, the formula used is pi equal to 1 upon f d dash and whatever the function is there on the LHS side. The general solution can be given by z equal to Cf plus Pi. Now, let us have some notes which we need to remember while solving such type of equations. First one is the operators d square denotes the partial differentiation with respect to x. The operators d dash square gives the partial differentiation with respect to y, once, twice and so on. And the inverse operators 1 upon d square gives the partial integration with respect to x. Similarly, the inverse operators 1 upon d dash square gives the partial integration with respect to y. These are the points which we need to remember while we solve the equation. Now, let us take case 1. Case 1 is when the RHS side of the equation is of the exponential form, that is of the type e raised to ax plus by. So, particular integral will be 1 upon f d dash e raised to ax plus by. We will write. What we will do is, we will put the value of d equal to a and d dash equal to b. And f of ab must not be equal to 0. In case if f of ab becomes 0, then particular integral can be written as 1 upon g of ab x raised to r upon r factorial e raised to ax plus by. We will understand this in better way by solving some examples. First example is solve d square plus 10 d dash plus 25 d dash square z equal to e raised to 3x plus 2y. See, first we will write the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation will be m square plus 10m plus 25 equal to 0. We have already discussed this in my previous video, so you can refer it once. By splitting the middle term, we get m plus 5. We know that 25 can be written as 5 into 5. Their addition will become 10 and their multiplication will become 25. So, we get m equal to minus 5 and the roots are real and equal. So, CF will be 5(1) y minus 5x plus x into 5(2) y minus 5x. Now, we find the particular integral. See, this is already given in our question. we will write this in the denominator portion, d square plus 10 dd dash plus 25 d dash square. Here we will not write z here, okay, and the RHS part will be e raised to 3x plus 2y, will write here. The coefficient of x is 3 and the coefficient of y is 2. So d equal to 3 and d dash equal to 2. We will substitute this in the above equation. First we will see whether it becomes 0 or not. Here we can see that the denominator is not getting 0, so we will get directly our answer. So in place of d I will put 3 and in place of d dash I will put 2. On solving this, I get pi equal to 1 upon 169 e raised to 3x plus 2y. So this is our particular integral. We can see here that there are no leftover terms of d and d dash. So general solution will be CF plus pi. So CF is phi 1 y minus phi x plus x into phi 2 y minus phi x plus pi is 1 upon 169 e raised to 3x plus 2i. This is our final required solution of the given differential equation. Now let us move towards second example. Our given equation is 4r plus 12s plus 9t equal to e raised to 3x minus 2i. This equation can be rewritten as 4d square plus 12d dash plus 9d dash square z equal to e raised to 3x minus 2i. First we will write the auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation will be 4m square plus 12m plus 9 equal to 0. Now this 12m can be written as 6m plus 6m. Now from the first two terms we will take common 2m. Leftover part will be 2m plus 3. From the second portion we will take common as 3. So leftover portion will be 2m plus 3. From the whole equation we will take common as 2m plus 3, and inside also we are left with 2m plus 3. Okay, so we get the value as m equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, which is again real and equal. So our CF will be phi 1 y minus 3 by 2x plus x into phi 2 y minus 3 by 2x. Now next we will find the particular integral. For particular integral we will write 1 upon the given function, and here we are writing the RHS side. Now first we will substitute here d equal to 3 and d dash equal to minus 2. Coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of y is minus 2. On putting these values we will find that the denominator part is becoming 0. So whenever the denominator part will become 0, we will multiply x on the numerator. We will multiply x on the numerator and we are differentiating the denominator with respect to d. So we are left with x upon 4 into 2d plus 12d dash plus 0. Now again we will put d equal to 3 and d dash equal to minus 2. After putting this value, again the denominator will become 0. So what we will do? We will again multiply numerator by x. So here it will become x square and will differentiate denominator with respect to d. So this will become 8 and rest of the part will become 0. So pi is x square by 8 e raised to 3x minus 2y. So the general solution is z equal to CF plus di, where CF is phi 1 y minus 3 by 2x plus x into phi 2 y minus 3 by 2x plus x square by 8 e raised to 3x minus 2i. So this was the first case when f of xy, that is the RHS part of the differential equation, homogeneous differential equation, is not 0. There are many more cases. We will see in my next video lecture. Thank you.